Hello everybody, it's Blocky and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add the SMA simple moving average in Robinhood Legend. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go up here, you want to load up a chart on Robinhood. I have the SPY chart loaded up. And then you want to click on this little button right here. It looks like an F. If you click on that, it'll say indicators. You want to add an indicator just by clicking on that. And then if you scroll down, you'll see where it says simple moving average right here, where we can go ahead and add it in. And then we can also edit it, so we can make it like a dashed line, and then we can make it nice and thick right here so that you can see it. And then as you can see, it is this bright blue line right here that we have. So it's very simple to the EMA, which we added in another video. But that's pretty much all that you have to do in order to add the SMA indicator in Robinhood. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.